Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog, and today is a special day. It's actually my birthday, so I'm gonna share with you my glam birthday makeup look. But for sure, mapapanood nyo to very late na, but that is okay kasi we are still on my birth month. I'm just preparing na kasi, so naisipan ko na i-film na siya and i-share here sa channel ko. Okay, so I already applied some foundation and did my eyebrows off cam. So now I'm gonna apply some concealer as my eyeshadow base na rin. This is from the SEM Cover Perfection Pat Concealer. You can use your eyeshadow primer as your eyeshadow base instead of a concealer, but for me, I use concealer because I observe that it keeps my eyeshadow last long compared when I use a eyeshadow primer. Okay, by the way, the foundation that I use is this, the same foundation then. And for my eyebrows, I use this Attribution na drawing eyebrow pencil. Okay, gonna set that with some powder, and I'm gonna use this Essence Mattifying Compact Powder. Okay, so for my transition shade, I'm gonna take this orange na medyo may pagka-brown siya na shade from this Essence Wasley Bangkok eyeshadow palette. So I'm gonna use this as my transition shade. Okay, so I'm gonna switch to a little bit smaller brush and I'm gonna take this shade. Yeah, this shade and this one. I'm just gonna mix this one and apply that on my crease. This is from my Chocolate and Peaches eyeshadow palette from Makeup Revolution. I'm just gonna build that to define more my crease, and it will serve as my guide for my next eyeshadow that I'm gonna apply on my lid, not to bring it up more on crease. Okay, so with the same brush, I'm gonna take some of this shade. This is from the Mint Chocolate palette from Revolution, and I'm just gonna apply that in the crease, but on the outer corner only. And whatever product remain on the brush, I'm just gonna drag that in the inner corner. Okay, so and then I'm gonna take a clean fluffy brush, and this one is a small eyeshadow blender from Unclothes beginner's brush set, and I'm just gonna blend all the edges of the eyeshadow. Okay, so now I'm gonna apply this BH Cosmetics Base Booster Glitter and Shadow Glue on my lid. It's gonna be my base for my glitter. And then I'm gonna apply this glitter using my finger. This is from my Reloaded palette, Makeup Revolution. Okay, so before I finish my eye makeup, I'm just gonna apply some concealer and start finishing my base makeup. And for the concealer, I'm still using the same Pat Concealer. Now we're gonna set my face with some powder, and I'm gonna use again this Essence Mattifying Compact Powder here. Okay, so I'm gonna apply some contour first before we continue my eye makeup. So this is from Shimmy Vogue. Okay, so I'm gonna tighten my lash line with this Milani Cosmetics Stay Put eyeliner. Apply some mascara. This is from Aislawi Long Lash Lamplight Long Lash Mascara. So I already put my eyelashes off cam, and I also apply some eyeshadow in the outer lower lash line, and I did that by taking some of this eyeshadow, dark brown, and spray with some mist on it, and okay, and then apply that. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply some eyeliner in the outer lower lash line. Okay, so I'm gonna take a brush, a small brush, and take also this shade, and then we're gonna smudge that here also. Okay, so now we're gonna take this gold shimmer and apply that in the inner lower lash line. Okay, so I'm just gonna take this Wet n Wild highlighter and apply some of it in the inner corner. I don't want to leave my inner corner left dull, so I must highlight that with some highlighter. So now I'm gonna apply some highlighter. No. I'm skipping a step. I'm gonna apply some blush on, and for my blush on, okay, so for my blush on, I'll be applying this single blusher from the Sim. So I'm gonna apply some highlighter, and I'll be taking this Wet n Wild Rainbow Highlighter. Okay, so for my lipstick, I'll be using this Essence Color Boost Mad Liquid Lipstick. This is actually one of my favorite shade of lipstick. Okay guys, so I am done, and ayan, this is the final look. I hope nagustuhan itong makeup look na naka ko for this special day of mine, and if you do, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I just want to say thank you sa lahat ng magbumati sa akin, sa mga friends ko, Lorsef Life, Euphoric Soul, and Nems Carbonera, Leon, and Carnation. Ayan, thank you so much for the warm greetings, and stay safe guys, and see you in the next one. Bye!